Refer to this diagram for questions 3.4, 3.5, and 3.6. Let's check what they're asking in 3.4. Determine the value of angle BIH. Provide the reason. Okay, so angle BIH, that is this angle in here. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at what we do know. So we know what that angle is that we're looking for in there. So we're looking for this one. Let's see what else we can figure out. So we've got some parallel lines. So we can see that with co-interior angles, with corresponding angles, if we've got that F shape, then this angle in here is equal to this angle in here, which is 60. Okay, so let's just draw red dots so we know that those ones are equal. So this is 60, and this is also 60. Then what else can we do with like an alternating? So a Z shape, we can do like this. There we go. So that and that are equal. Okay, so let's just get some working and reasoning here. So what we said for this one is, first of all, we used corresponding angles. We did like a backwards, upside down F. We said this angle in there is equal to this angle in there. So we said angle B is equal to 60 degrees because of corresponding angles. And then it's good practice to give the parallel lines. So GH is parallel to CB. And then we did alternating angles and said angle BIH is equal to angle B. Because of alternating angles. And again, we list those parallel lines. So line GH is parallel to line CB. Okay, and that is what they wanted us to do here, which is equal to 60 degrees. So that was our answer for 3.4. Let's see what they want for 3.5. Determine the value of CVI and provide the reason. Okay, so let's get some space here. Just fill in that this is also 60 degrees and that this is also 60 degrees. Okay, they want angle CBI. So that is this one, CBI. And we have already worked that out. So that is 60 degrees. So this one's a pretty easy one to do. Okay, so what we can say is CBI is equal to angle AIG. So that's this angle here. which is equal to 60 degrees. So AIG is given. Okay, AIG is given as 60 degrees, and what we did for this one is we actually used alternating angle, no, corresponding angles. So it's this backwards F shape. That's why you can say this is 60, and so this is 60. So that is corresponding angles are equal, and then the lines are GH is parallel to CB. Okay, and then let's look at 3.6. Determine the value of ICB and provide the reason. Let's get some space again. Okay, and ICB is this one, ICB. So we are looking for this angle in here. Okay, and then that one's pretty straightforward. We know if we look at this triangle, we know this is 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees, so this has to be 60 degrees as well. So angle ICB is equal to 60 degrees. This is because 60 plus 60 plus ICB has to add up to 180 degrees. Because this is the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees.